5804 Rhea. So we don't have access here. You'd have to drive up the sidewalk. But we do have actual RV parking. We're almost at the end of the cul-de-sac. You see all the space between the houses? It gives it a nice feel, at least from my perspective. I like the feel of this neighborhood. Lots of space. So we would have to change out this deadbolt to just a normal one. This blind is yellow. I don't know if that matters since it's on the exterior. Like, you can only see the yellow from the exterior. The house also has a really nice feel on the inside. It feels like a little more upscale. It feels roomy. Definitely want to find out what's going on there. I mean, I can surmise it may be a leak in the master or something. And it may have been taken care of, and there may not be anything we have to worry about. It's just something that we want to know, just like at any other property. A little bit of grass back here. This is where the RV would be. So, I would say get the sliders checked, maybe make it a little easier. I'd say the walls have a little bit of a grayish color to it, or biscotti. It looks really close to the color that we do, very, very close. So we would want to rekey this door as well if we do a rekey. So we have gas. Little ding here. Carpet looks very new. We have some verticals up there. We'll see if Jenny minds those. No ceiling fan in here in either of the two rooms that I just came from, and there's not one in here either. But the carpet and paint looks good. We need a shower rod, 3 ceiling fans, and a shower rod. This property looks pretty clean. No blinds in here. Do have a ceiling fan though. Paint and carpet looks good. Whoa, look at this. Great size master, plus one double hanger and shelves above the single hangers. So that's a lot of storage. And 2 verticals in here. Shower pan looks pretty clean. Toilet looks pretty new. I'm not sure if there was a leak there. Maybe that's why we have that tied up. But the leak may have been addressed because I'm not seeing any evidence of water damage. So if we make an offer, we would just ask for invoices for the repair and have the inspector pay close attention.